Welcome to Art and Animation Tutor. In this tutorial we are going to learn how to manipulate photo using Content Aware and Clone Stamp tool. Make a copy of layer. Then go to Select tab and choose Subject. Zoom the image. We need to expand the selection. Using Object Selection tool, select the remaining part of select. Hold Alt to deselect the unwanted part. Plus sign indicates the increasing in selection while minus sign indicates reducing the selection. Then go to Select tab and choose Modify. Click on Expand and add values to increase the selection area edges. Now subject is selected. Go to Edit tab and select Content Aware Fill. Select Duplicate Layer. Hit OK. You can see the subject is removed from the background. Now go on Subject Selection Area and press Ctrl J. You will find the subject on New Layer. Keep the subject layer on the top of all layers. Using Transform tool, scale down the subject. And place at the back, so that it will look far away from the perspective view. Now you can see some mark and shadows are left here. Select Clone Stamp tool. Hold Alt to select the clone area. Paint over the marks. Follow same steps for shadow. It's done. That was an interesting manipulation. Don't forget to comment what you want to learn next. We will make a tutorial for you. Thanks for watching. If you like our tutorial, do like, share and comment. Don't forget to subscribe and click on bell icon to get notification on new tutorial upload.